There are many different stores in the shopping mall. There are ladies' wear stores. They sell dresses, blouses, and many kinds of clothes for women. In the men's wear store, there are suits, ties, shirts, and slacks. Some clothing stores only sell children clothes. There are shoe stores. You buy shoes and boots in a shoe store. There are bookstores. You can buy a book and at most any topic at the bookstore. There are a sports stores that sell a special shoes and clothes for sports. There are gift stores that sell all kinds of things that someone might want for their house. There are kitchen stores where you can buy utensils and pots and pans. There is a movie theater at the mall. There is a jewelry store that has a lot of gold and silver jewelry. There are fast food places in the mall. There is a furniture store in the mall. You could buy a new sofa or bed at the furniture store. There are bulk food stores. At a bulk food store, all the foods are in bins. You take as much as you want and pay for it at the counter. There is even a telephone store and electronic store at the mall. My brother's favorite store in the toy store. He could spend hours in there. There are also department stores on the mall. Department stores sell all kinds of things. They sell perfume, clothes, shoes, kitchen utensils, or just about anything you might need. You can get almost anything you want at the shopping mall.